now let's see how we can work with magnets inside of Adobe Character Animator. So in order to do that, first of all, I'm going to import a puppet. And to do that, I'm going to go to File, and then I'm going to click on Import right here, and then I'm going to click on Shapes. Once I do that, I'm going to click on Import right here, and the shapes has been imported, as you can see. So now I'm going to go around and click on the New Scene button right here, so that the shapes get embedded right here on the new scene. So now I'm going to go inside of my puppet right here. And since I just want to work with 2 layers, I'm just going to disable all of these right here. So I just need 2 shapes to demonstrate that out. So let's say I'm going to make the layer 1 the magnet handler. That is, I'm going to make it the object that I can drag. So draggable magnet. And this one, the object which it interacts with. I'm just going to make both of them independent as well. So in order for that to work, I need to go to layer 1 first, and I'm going to make this a draggable object. So I'm just going to click on draggable, and I'm going to make this magnet right here. So draggable and magnet for this one under the tags area right here. For the second object, which will be an interacting object, I'm going to make this magnet and dynamic and collide right here. So just like this, I've enabled physics for this one. So for magnet, one of the objects that needs to be interacted with has to be a physics-based object where gravity and everything should be applied. So now if I were to go to record, now let's see what happens. One of the objects just falls down and I'm able to drag this one, but the magnet still does not work. That is because the behavior for magnet has not been added yet. And to do that, I'm going to go back to puppet right here. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on the main puppet, and over here in behaviors, I'm going to click it and I'm going to enable magnets. Of course, you can work around with the magnet properties right here, but that's something we'll explore in later lessons. So once we added that in, the magnet becomes active. So if I were to go to record now, so you can see that it falls down. I can use this draggable item. And this is magnetic now. So if I were to go over here onto the spot, you can see that now it sticks. So I'm not actually grabbing the other sphere, right, the other ball right here. So if I were to click and drag this around, you can see that it holds in place right here and it sticks on to the place right here. Let me just reset it out and let's see again. So right now, this object, like it is freely floating out. You can see that it is falling down. But as soon as I take this object right here and go on the center, you can see that it gets attracted right here. So I can go around and work around with this, as you can see, and it snaps on to this very object. And that is how magnets work inside of Adobe Character Animator. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.